My name is Levi Davis. I'm with JR Manufacturing and I'm a CMM tech here. I'm in our quality department and I've been here for 3 years. So the team that I'm on is our quality department and we're just ensuring the quality of all our products. When I'm measuring all of our pre-production parts, I'll bring them to the quality team and then we'll discuss them and make sure that they're in spec before we send them out to our clients and customers. So the positions I've been in here are, I started as a floor operator and then I moved into our East building, which I became a team lead. And then I got into our quality department and I've been there for about 4 months now. In the future, I'd like to stay in our quality department and eventually move up into our upper management quality role. What we're looking for in team members are people that are going to bring their all, people that will show up on time, people that will be dedicated, reliable, people that are family oriented and that can bring creativity and value to the team. Throughout the year, they give incentives like Employee Appreciation Week. We'll have dinners, we have caterers. They have a Christmas party at the end of every year. So when we meet our quality numbers, we get our quality bonus. They make sure that we get that every year. So the culture around here is really family oriented. They make you feel like family. When they say family first, they mean family first. Everybody works with you. If you ask for help, literally from the cleaning person to upper management, they will all help you. I started as an operator and now I'm in our quality department within 3 years. They really get you to where you want to go. If you're looking for a great place to work, you can go to jrmanufacturing.net. We're also found on Facebook and TikTok.